Good morning and welcome to the live morning analysis on Thursday, the 8th of July. I hope you're all well. I'm struggling with a little bit of sleep deprivation, but I'm going to do my best to get out a good video for you this morning. Let's first off just take a look at Euro-Dollar. Euro-Dollar has broken through last week's high and is currently supported just above there. At this 126.42 level. I'm afraid at this moment in time there are no tradable opportunities on Euro-Dollar, just purely because the cross came in so vigorously back last week that we've been unable to find an entry point since then. There was one baby silver cross yesterday morning, I think. Sadly I wasn't available to trade that, but yes, there was a little opportunity there to get long. I'm not sure how many people would have played into these highs, but if you did, very well done to you, and no doubt you're still in a trade looking for this to push through 126.70 at some point today. I believe that we should see a decent retracement. Let's see some crosses coming in before we start trading this. At this moment in time, for me, just pretty untradable. Put it on a 15-minute chart. You can see we're just boxed currently between our 15-minute 20 and hourly 20. Daily pivot below previous week's high. Don't want to be trading short into that, so would be avoiding plays down there. Move across to something like dollar Swiss. Same setup again, seems to be coming in, day out, and if we just zoom out a little bit, it is just the baby silver cross. You're going to get a little bit of consolidation, you're going to get crosses up, crosses down, and then bang, she's going to start going. And I think today will be the same sort of situation. We can't play the baby silver cross back up against the trend, so all we wait for the previous week's low to be hit, and then look for the next baby silver cross to the south. Little consolidation channel, and then bang, south, stop about the 4 hourly 20, see where we can get to. So dollar Swiss is very definitely a possibility for us today. Baby silver cross to the north is just about to come in. Once we get one to the south, probably later on this afternoon, then we'll look for a short position. Pound dollar, broken through her hourly 20 this morning, come back to retest the daily pivot. Again, the trouble with cable here is we are stuck in this channel. Okay, we've got lower support off weekly pivot 150.80, and we've got upper resistance at 152.30. She's failing to break on virtually every occasion, so the better way to play this is to play off support and sell off resistance. Okay, until this breaks, then look for a 1, 2, 3 play off either the break low or the break high, and then we can look for some long positions or short positions. There's just nothing clear at this in the moment, so it's better to be out than in. Moving across to dollar CAD again, I'm afraid had her big move yesterday off the 1, 2, 3 after the major silver cross, and I believe you all got into a very nice little Aussie dollar trade with the major silver cross here. Well done to you, lovely little trade. I think Dan took 2 to 1 because he was heading out. Very nice trade. I hope some of you held on for a bit longer. Again today you can see just overbought, nothing there for us at this moment in time. I think with that we'll move over to some of the indices and commodities. Just quickly explain what Dan's looking for here. If I can just get this onto one screen. That should do the job. Okay, so we put this on a 4 hourly just to start with. Whoa. Seem to have many too many pivots on here. We'll get rid of those just for now. Okay, so what Dan's spoken about is the fact that we've seen a big retracement on gold on a daily chart back down towards this weekly 20. We're now starting to see support coming in off this weekly 20. What Dan is looking for now is this major silver cross to come in and confirm for a possible move higher. Now, any trade that we could get into around these levels could see a possibility of a move back up to even retest the previous highs at 12.63. So you're going to have to be very patient with this because it does need to get these stocks back in the right place first. But once this major silver cross is in, I am in no doubt that we'll be looking for long positions. First off to target stop at break even once we hit the daily 20, and then second off to target a break of this daily 20 to move back into the previous range. With Wall Street, I understand the majority of people at this moment in time probably are not considering long plays, purely because we are in a downward trend, and what you would tend to be looking for now is the next major silver cross or baby silver cross to the south to start shorting this pair back down to retest the lows at 9,500. If we do get a break north, I'm afraid there's very little we can do about that at the moment. We need an entry price, and it's just not here yet. Okay, so I'm afraid that's all from me this morning, a little short, but we do have a few ideas for the afternoon. Obviously our dollar Swiss is one, gold, and that's about it. If we see anything else develop, of course we'll be back on, we'll put up a video, we'll put up some posts and keep you updated. Okay, have a fantastic morning guys, and I look forward to speaking to you later.